Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd Nest. In this video, I am explaining about material application in 3DSMAX. So I have a model here. For material, just type as MAT or M as a shortcut. Here we have number of slots here. Just select on particular slot. And if you want some plain colors, just click on here diffuse white box. You can select here color shadings like light, dark. You can adjust here anything color, then select OK. To assign the material, click on assign material to selection option to assign the material, so that we can assign that material to particular selection. So here in this way we can add the material. If you want some textures or outside colors, then click on again same, every time you have to take new slot, and next to diffuse option we have none option. Click on that. Here click on bitmap. And outside textures we can select from here. We can, before that you have to download from the Google. So I will select here one texture, then open. So it is loaded to the file. Here I need to apply this material to this object. So again I'll take the option assign material to selection. Then here it is looking no. Here click on show shaded material in viewport. If you are using any structure, then you have to select compulsory show shaded material in viewport option. If you are using plain color, means it is not necessary. So if you want to change the scale of that structure, then go to modifier list. Here map scaler, you will get the option map scaler. Here we can change the scaling of particular object as required. So if you want to change particular facing different color, means object, here select the option that is editable poly. Means for face selection. Once again I will convert it to editable poly. Then here select face, select any face. Here I will use again material. In this, here also I will use same color. Assign to selection. Then show shaded material viewport. Again I can change the scale or I can keep as it is. In this way we can use the material. If we want some glossy format, then for any color, if you want some glossy format, means like here we can increase the decrease the opacity. So it will be like glass effect, like transparency. If you give like 50-60 range, it will be like transparency. Any material, any texture, if you decrease the opacity, it will be like glass material. So this is about the material effects. Thank you.